Hello viewers, Flipkart's Diwali sale is going on. A lot of users actually want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus during this festive season. So they want to know whether they should buy this tablet right now or they should wait for another offer. If you want to buy the Wi-Fi version, 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, you can go to amazon.in and using ICICI credit card you will get this device at 12,749 rupees. And if you want to buy the 5G version, in that case you have to buy it from flipkart.com. At Flipkart you can buy this device at 16,000 rupees using SBI credit card. So for the Wi-Fi version you have to pay 12,749 and for the 5G version you have to pay 16,000. So if you badly need 5G, only in that case you could buy the 5G version. Otherwise Wi-Fi version is the best value for money product right now. Actually you are getting only 5G with paying 16,000 and at 12,749 rupees you are getting everything except 5G. So the choice is yours whether you should buy the Wi-Fi version or you badly need the 5G version, but I would suggest you to go for the Wi-Fi version. This tablet is actually ideal for those users who want to watch multimedia contents like games or cinemas on their tablets with good sets of stereo speakers. But one thing you must remember that this tablet doesn't have any pen support, so you cannot write with the use of S Pen on this tablet. If you want to buy the S Pen support, you have to buy the S series tablets by paying at least 20,000 rupees for the Tab S9 FE or at least 26,000 rupees right now for S9 FE Plus. But I would suggest you to go for this tablet if you don't have much budget. So hope this video has become informative to you. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought this device or not. And if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.